Hello guys, it's Brandon with Parkside Kia, and I've been getting this a lot from all of my EV customers. Is Kia giving a $7,500 tax credit? Yes, they are. In comparison, our other competition like the Tesla is not. They've been making all electric vehicles for, what, 12, 15 years now, so they have ran out of that money, but Kia still has loads of it. So yes, the EV6 does come with the $7,500 tax credit. Another important thing I wanted to touch up on, I'm gonna wait for this car to pass. 3, 2, 1. So when you get your EV6, we are going to, or at least the Kia that you bought it from should set up your yubo app on your phone. Right after they do that, you're going to want to scroll down and look for the Electrify Me app. It's a link on your yubo. We have a truck passing. It's a link through your app that'll direct you to the Electrify America app, where Kia gives you a free 1,000 hours worth of charge time. Now to do this, you just simply click on the link on your yubo through your phone. It'll then prompt you to download the app, follow the instructions on it. It'll have you enter a credit card, and the only reason you're doing that is so that they can put charge money on your card for you. So then when the 1,000 hours is off, if you want to continue to use Electrify America, you're already set up on the platform to do so. If you have any questions, whether you buy from us or any other Kia dealership, you can reach me at 865-531-4000. Just ask for me by name, Brandon. Have a great day.